With a plethora of exhibits, experts, and well curated seminars, the first edition of the Global Science Festival of Kerala is being held in Thiruvananthapuram. Boasting over 1,200 exhibits, 200 artists, 28,000 schools, 600 institutions, and the participation of 100 eminent scientists, the festival has attracted over 14 lakh visitors.
It is thematically curated in the sense that we are addressing a question, who we are as human beings and how we came to be what we are today. And if you want to answer that question, what are the knowledge, what are the pieces of information you require from different fields of science, whether it's physics, chemistry, biology, archaeology, or anthropology. So we are addressing this question, and whatever knowledge we have so far acquired, that has been curated, that has been selected to address this particular question. And the second aspect is it is an artistically designed one, and art is known for its ability to give impressions, lasting impressions.
The Kerala government is also seeking to make a political statement through the festival, saying that it provides an opportunity to promote scientific temper among the people, particularly the youth.
അതിന് ഒറ്റ വഴിയേ ഉള്ളൂ. ശാസ്ത്രത്തെ അതിശക്തിയായി മുന്നോട്ടേക്ക് നയിക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. അന്ധവിശ്വാസ ജടിലവും ഫ്യൂഡൽ ജീർണതയിൽ അധിഷ്ഠിതവുമായ ഒരു തരം പ്രത്യേക തലത്തിലേക്ക് നമ്മുടെ നൂറ്റാണ്ടുകൾ പിന്നിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുപോകാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുമ്പോൾ അതിനെ അഭിമുഖീകരിക്കാൻ സയൻസ് മാത്രമാണ് നമ്മുടെ മുമ്പിലുള്ള ആയുധം. ആ സയൻസിനെ കേന്ദ്രീകരിച്ചുകൊണ്ടുള്ള വളരെ ഫലപ്രദമായ പഠനം, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഫലപ്രദമായ രീതിയിലുള്ള മനുഷ്യന്റെ ഇടപെടൽ തീർക്കാനാവുക എന്നുള്ളത് തന്നെയാണ് ഈ കെട്ട കാലം വന്ന് സാധാരണ പറയുന്ന ഈ കാലത്തിന്റെ അതിജീവനത്തിനുള്ള മാർഗം. ഇത്തരം ഫെസ്റ്റിവലൊക്കെ അതിന് സ്വാഭാവികമായിട്ടും പിന്തുണ നൽകുന്ന ഒന്നായിരിക്കും.
Apart from the exhibition spread across 19 pavilions, talks and seminars by internationally renowned scientists are major attractions at the science fair.
Apart from the curated science exhibition part, there are a lot of components to this, especially the academic and public speeches from various experts from various fields from different countries who are really internationally and nationally acclaimed, including people like Morton P. Meldal, who is a Nobel laureate in chemistry. There were 5 scientists from NASA who have already given public speeches here, which is the first of its kind in Kerala. NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory team is here, and there are many people from different worlds, and there is a diaspora speech series.
The exhibition, which is taking place at the Bio 360 Life Science Park at Tonnakkal, is scheduled to conclude on February 15th.